Hi guys, there are times when you want to read a message on WhatsApp but don't want to let that contact know that you actually opened that message, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily do that. Let's go. To read the WhatsApp messages without notifying the sender, first of all, open your WhatsApp and tap on the three dot icon located at the top right corner of your screen. From the drop down menu that appears, tap on Settings. From here, tap on Account. From here, tap on Privacy. On the privacy screen, uncheck the option for Read Receipts. After disabling read receipts, open the WhatsApp message that you want to read. Since read receipts are already disabled in your WhatsApp, the sender won't be able to see whether or not you have read the message. The disadvantage of this is that you won't be able to get read receipts from others as long as read receipts are disabled in your WhatsApp account. If you are an Android user, you can also use apps like Unseen app or Blue Tick Last Seen Hider app to read the WhatsApp messages without notifying the sender. Those apps links will be in the video description so you can easily use that. So anyway, I hope this is helpful for you guys and see you guys on the next video.